Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Gantt chart timeline using the Google Sheets. So here you can just use a template on Google Sheets to make a Gantt chart easily. You can just go to the template gallery, but since I've already create one before, so the Gantt chart will be in here. But if you cannot find it, you can just click on the template gallery and scroll down to the project management section, this one, and you can see Gantt chart. So click on the template and it will be open. So this is just a template. So what you need to do, you can just modify the Gantt chart based on your project's timeline. You can add the project title in here, the project manager, company name, and also date. You can change the date based on your own projects in here. And after that, it will the any changes will be automatically saved, so you don't need to save it manually. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.